Hi everyone, I'm Ellie. Today I'm going to be decorating a plain flower pot that I've had for some time. I usually get my inspiration for colors from the things around me, so for this one I got inspired by my skincare routine. So let's start painting. You know how much I love dusty pink colors, so I'm just going to coat the pot with a few shades of pink and white. Initially, I wanted it to be a flat color, but I liked how the strokes looked, so I decided to maintain this dry brush effect. You can also see how I started off with a darker, more saturated pink. I didn't really like it, so I went for a much lighter shade later on. I live in Malaysia and we're still under this sucky lockdown, not even halfway through vaccination yet. But yeah, it is what it is. I've been in this creative block for the longest time. I'm sure some of you can relate, and if you can, I just hope that you're doing okay, and I hope this helps spark like an idea or something. This is one tip I can share with you, so this is why I decided to try new art tools and mediums, because trying something new always excites and inspires me, especially when it comes to art. I had this pot lying around without anything to fill it, but today I just got a new plant and I decided to give this pot like a cute little makeover. Here I'm just mixing some acrylic with modeling paste, which I'm still testing out its durability since I'm quite new to the material. But since I'm keeping the pot indoors, I'm not so worried about it getting ruined by extreme heat or moisture or anything like that. I decided to start off with some leaves, and I also deliberately paid less attention to mixing the colors properly and evenly because I wanted it to vary slightly between the strokes, sort of to match the dry brush that we have going on in the background here. Next, I'm adding petals, and I've decided to do cosmos because the color of the Clarins skincare bottles reminded me of them. I have one white bottle that has cleansing milk inside, one transparent one with yellow product in it. It's actually cleansing oil, and another one with pink product in it. It's a micellar cleansing water. Even on my AC Animal Crossing island, I used white cosmos for landscaping, and so I really like these cosmos. I'm liking the idea of having white flowers on top of the pink base that I have. Now it's time to add the cosmos centers. The mixing process is so satisfying, but cleaning up after is a little bit of a pain. I didn't really expect the paste to be so rough, so it was actually quite hard for me to work with. It didn't help either that the paste started to dry up pretty quickly. I initially wanted the shapes, the flowers, the leaves to have a smooth surface, but I guess this is why I love working with new materials. Sometimes things don't turn out as expected, and it becomes sort of like a challenge for me to see how I can adapt on the spot to the situation that I'm facing with the materials. I ended up working with the rough texture anyway, and I actually like how it turned out. I'm adding details to the leaves, and then I think I'm done. So I'm just gonna leave it aside for a while before I move my plant in. Just make sure nothing's gonna smear, nothing's gonna smudge. Once the paste is dry, I should be able to hold the pot and move it around freely. This part, I filmed the wrong angle. I'm just potting my plant. I'm probably doing it wrong, but hey, we'll see in the next couple of days. So here's the final result. I was kind of nervous, but I'm really happy with how it turned out in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this process. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Let me know if you like this kind of video. And also check out Clarins. They helped me curate a little skincare kit for my skin type. You can find more sets like this on their website as well. So yeah, until my next video, stay safe, take care, and I will see you next time. Bye!